What'd she do? Charlie get in your spot? What? What'd she do? She get in your spot?
Who's up there, Charlie?
Huh? Oh, I see Charlie. Charlie got in his spot. He is mad. Trying to move her? Oh, you just gonna get up here on top of her? Uh-oh, somebody grabbed. I think that was a no.